Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about the new standard in amplifiers for your off-road vehicle, Phase EQ. What makes a Phase EQ amplifier different and better? We pioneered tuned amplifiers out of the box. We were the first guys to put them together on a plate and have them be tuned and matched for your head unit. That's great. But we can go one step further. Good is not good enough. So we came out with DSP tuning for the amplifier. So now our amplifier integrates a DSP just like a luxury car would. That way the distance for your speakers, the location of them in the car, the materials in the car, the type of environment where you ride, we can tweak and tune the unique sound characteristics for each vehicle. A different side-by-side, a different seat configuration, a different speaker configuration. Every vehicle is custom tuned specifically to the kit you get from us. Out of the box, ready to rock. We control that with our rock and ride switch. This is an industry-first DSP profile switch that lets you choose between rock and ride. When you're hanging out at the hill by the campfire, hit the rock mode. It brings the noise floor up and out, and it completely changes the sound of a vehicle, something you can't do with the conventional gain and amp tune. When you're ready to go, hit that ride button, jump in the car, and it completely changes the sound of that car, so it's going to sound better while you're riding, while you're inside the car listening to your music. Makes it more fun, makes it sound better, and it's configurable on the fly with a sub control as well. You want more bass when you're hanging out or when you're driving, you've got it all configured right here. Fits right into a conventional rocker switch spot, plugs directly into the amplifier harness, and Rock and Ride allows you to customize your system for how you ride or hang out with your stereo. The DSP allows us to tune the stereo for what we call a noise floor, which is the amount of ambient sound around the vehicle. For example, your engine's running, you're going to lose certain frequencies. You put a helmet on, you lose certain frequencies. With a conventional amplifier tune, you can't do anything about that. But with an SSV Phase EQ DSP tune, you can. We're able to boost those frequencies for our speakers in your vehicle to make it sound absolutely the way it's supposed to, like you've never heard a system sound before. The Phase EQ 800.5 is an 800 watt 5-channel amplifier, giving 400 watts to your sub and 400 watts to your mids and highs. The design of this amplifier with the DSP will outperform larger amplifiers that consume way more power without consuming more from your charging system. As if DSP tuning wasn't enough, the IP66 rated cast heatsink dissipates any heat the amplifier makes in a small and low profile compact shell so that we can mount it on amp plates in all the off-road vehicle applications. Phase EQ makes installation a breeze with our single ECM style mono connector using a cam lock connection that even all of your connecting harnesses are plug and play. Power wire, speakers, radio hookup. It's a breeze to do this install. Can't make any mistakes, nothing backwards, and it's awesome. Phase EQ amplifiers with Rock and Ride technology are going to make the best sounding stereo for your side-by-side vehicle. If you want to rip through the dunes, smash the ride button, or hang out on the hill or crack a cold one by camp, go ahead and hit the rock button. You get your system optimized for how you ride. Thanks for watching our video and checking out Phase EQ. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. I'm Trevor. This is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.